Hello everyone, my name is Michal Polanowski. I'm the head data scientist for Gojek Financial Services, and I'm here to answer some of the data science questions from the internet. So let's go for the first question. What is data science? Well, okay, you're gonna Google that and you're gonna see the boring answer. The way I like to think about it is we try to build data products and services. The goal of a data scientist is either maybe build a prediction engine, a recommendation engine, or maybe something that's gonna help us to stop fraud. So that's how I like to think about data science. Okay. Next question, does data science require coding? The short answer is going to be yes, unfortunately. Are there really good tools that allow us to drag and drop and analyze data, apply some machine learning models? Yes, there are. At batch processing, great. At smaller numbers, great. For anything bigger, you're going to have to start coding. So yeah, sorry to bring the bad news. Next question is, what's the difference between data science and data analytics? And this is a question I actually get a lot because there are many overlaps. When you think about at the very core of what data scientists and data analysts do, we're doing exactly the same work. So we look at the data, we analyze the data, we look at the distributions, and where we split after that is that for data scientists, what we're going to try to do is build a product with that. So maybe it's going to be a recommendation engine for the new marketing campaign, where data analysts, they're going to try to apply their domain knowledge to come up with some rules and maybe say that, hey, maybe for users that visit us more than 5 times, we're gonna give coupon A. Maybe for other users, coupon B. For machine learning and data science, we let the algorithms do that for us. So that's kind of where the difference is, where I see it. Now, the next question is, can I become a self-taught data scientist? Yes. We're not born with this knowledge. We all had to learn somewhere. In this field, you will have to constantly update your knowledge because it seems like every day there's a new algorithm, new way to do things faster, better. And that's why you will have to learn, never stop, right? Some words of wisdom that I can tell you is find some friends that you can do it with because it's more fun to do it in a group. Data science is a team sport. And just remember that if you want to go fast, you want to go alone, but if you want to go far, do it together. So find a group and go far and have fun, okay? Okay, next question. If someone pronounced SQL as SQL, do you assume they aren't experienced in it? To me, it's tomato, so it really doesn't matter. I know there are some groups, and I'm sorry, there are groups that are gonna be like, no, you pronounce it SQL, SQL, whatever. Your code will do the talking and not how you pronounce it. Okay, the next question. What are the most cliche things that data scientists actually say and do? Oh boy, you're gonna hear data scientists saying that data cleaning is boring. I'm guilty of that. Yes, kind of, sort of, but there's something zen about just putting your noise canceling headphones, get with the code and cleaning the data. It's almost like cleaning your house, right? That maybe the process is not the most fun, but once you start doing it, and especially at the end, when you think about where your house was before you started cleaning and where it is now, and you're gonna be like, wow, I achieved something. So yeah, we will complain about, oh, I have to clean the data and it's boring, but we enjoy it, you know? Yeah, don't get fooled. Okay, next question. Will data scientists be obsolete with the advent of data robots? Personally, I love data robots because they are breaking the barriers of data science, and this is extremely important. Now, will we be obsolete? I don't think so. Will we pivot? Yes, because a lot of stuff is going to be automated thanks to data robots, which is great. Still, there's always going to be this question of monitoring those tools. You don't want to just let algorithm loose, which potentially could hurt people. So that's why it's always going to be a role of data scientists or somebody else to prepare the data, make sure that the algorithms are not going crazy. So we're not going to be obsolete. Our jobs will change, and data robots is going to make us more efficient. I hope those answers help a little bit. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much.